Hello everyone, welcome to the coding tuition. In the previous two videos we have seen what is Numpy and the basic introduction to it, and then we have seen the various methods of creating arrays. In this video we will see mathematical operations on Numpy arrays. I would highly recommend, if you have not seen the previous two videos, kindly do watch and then see this video for better understanding. Okay, in this video we will see various mathematical operations on Numpy array. For this we have created two arrays, array 1 and array 2. In array 1 there are 5 elements, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Similarly in array 2 there are another 5 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now the first operation over here is we have to add 5 to every element of array 1. So in normal programming what we will be doing is we will create a for loop, and inside that we will access each and every element and we will add 5 to that element, right? But in Python we can do it in a much simpler way. So to add 5 to every element of array 1, what we will write is we will write array 1 plus 5. So what this will do is this will add 5 to each and every element of array 1 and it will give us a new array. To store this result we will create another array, array 3 equal to, which will store array 1 plus 5. Now let's print this array 3. Okay, so here our array 1 was 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and here the array 3, which is the result of array 1 plus 5. Here we can see every element of array 1 is just added by 5 and stored in array 3, right? This is one of the operations which we can perform on array. Now let's see another operation. Here we have two arrays, array 1 and array 2. Now let's see how to add array 1 and array 2. As we have added 5 to array 1, similarly we can add both the arrays, array 1 and array 2, in the same way. So array 1 plus array 2. What this will give is, this will add corresponding elements of array 1 and array 2. Like the first element of array 1 will be added with first element of array 2. Similarly, second element of array 1 will be added to second element of array 2, and so on. So this will give us a new array in which every corresponding elements of both the arrays are added, and let's store it in array 4. Okay. Now let's print array 4. So here you can see first element of array 1 was 10 and first element of array 2 was 1. So if we add 10 plus 1 we will get 11. Similarly 20 plus 2, 22, then 33, 44 and 55. Okay, I hope you have understood this addition of both the arrays. So this type of operation is known as vectored operation. Why it is vectored operation? Because we are adding two arrays or two vectors. Therefore it is called as vectored operations. Okay. Now let's move on to the next operation, that is subtract 5 from every element. Let's subtract 5 from every element of array 4 which we have got here. So we can directly print the result, array 4 minus 5. Okay. So what we have got here is 11 minus 5, which is 6. Similarly 22 minus 5 is 17, and so on. Similarly we can do multiplication and division. Let's multiply 5 every element of array 4 by 5. So let's run this. Here array 4 was, the first element of array 4 was 11. So here 5 into 11, that is 55. Similarly 22 into 5 is 110, and so on. In a similar way we can also divide each element by 5, or we can find the modulus of each element by 5. Modulus means basically the remainder when we divide a number with another number. Now let's see how to use arrays in an expression. So let's suppose the expression is we have to square every element of the array and then subtract it by 10. Now let's consider the array 1 which we created earlier. So the elements of the array 1 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now what we have to do is we have to square every element of the array and then subtract it by 10. So how we will do is, let's print the result. We will do array 1. This double asterisk is used to find the power. Okay, I hope you already know this. What we have to do is we have to square every element of array 1 and then subtract it by 10. So let's see what's the result. So the first element of array 1 was 10. So after squaring, 10 square will be 100 and then we will subtract 10. So the result will be 90, as you can see. Similarly, second element was 20. So 20 square is 400 minus 10, that is 390. Okay, I hope you understood how arrays can be used in expressions as well. Now let's see how to find sine, cos and tan function. There are various other functions as well, but I am just showing you the basic functions so that you can get a basic idea of how to apply mathematical operations. So let's again print the array 1. So here the array 1 is 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Now let's see how to find sine value of every element of the array. So what we have to do is we'll print sine of array 1. So here is the result. Similarly, we can also print cos. So here is the result of cos. Similarly, we can use the tan function as well. Let's see another 4 more important function, which is the to find the maximum, to find the minimum, to find the sum of the array and to find the mean or the average of the array. So let's first print what's the current array is. The current array 1 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now let's find the maximum of the array. So what we will do is we will write max and inside that we will give the parameter as array 1. So here we got the result as 50, since 50 is the maximum value. Okay, similarly we can find the minimum value. Here the minimum value is 10, we got that. Similarly, we can see how to find the sum of all the elements. It's also very simple, just use the sum function and you will get the sum. Now let's see the last function, which is the mean function or the average. Okay, so the average is 30. How to get this? Add all the elements. 50 plus 40 is 90, plus 30 120, plus 20 140, and then plus 10 150 divided by 5, which is 30. So we got the result of mean as 30. I hope you all have understood the basic operations which we can perform. There are various other operations. As you can see on the screen, there are many operations which we can perform on the array. So you can try each and every operations whenever you need. So this was it regarding the mathematical operations on NumPy array. In the next video, we will see concepts like aliasing the arrays, viewing and copying of arrays. So stay tuned and thank you for watching this video. And if you found this video helpful, then do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.